I came here because I was having issues with breathing. I had septum straightened, turbinoplasty, and a lateral wall strengthened. I feel way better than how I was feeling before. I definitely recommend Dr. Cilento from coming here to see Dr. Cilento. I didn't have any bruising. People didn't think I had surgery. I was out just for a couple of days from work, and other people who've had the same procedure at other locations complained that they had bruising. But as you see, no bruising. I'm happy as can be.